Nigerian Air Force, Fighter Jet Special Mission Jet, Helicopter Trainer Jet and UAV. Fighter Jets. Chengdu F-7 Role, Fighter Aircraft, in service, 8. Dornier Alpha Jet Role, Light Attack, in service, 13. Special Mission Jets. Super King Air Role, Reconnaissance, in service, 3. ATR-42 Role, Maritime Patrol, in service, 2. Helicopters. Mi-35 Role, Attack Helicopter, in service, 33. AgustaWestland AW109 Role, Utility Helicopter, in service, 4. AgustaWestland AW109 Role, Utility Helicopter, in service, 12. AgustaWestland AW139 Role, Utility Helicopter, in service, 1. Eurocopter AS332 Role, Utility Helicopter, in service, 5. Mi-17 Role, Utility Helicopter, in service, 7. Bell 412 Role, Utility Helicopter, in service, 2. Trainer Jets. Aermacchi MB-339 Role, Jet Trainer, in service, 6. L-39 Albatros Role, Jet Trainer, in service, 17. PAC Super Mushshak Role, Basic Trainer, in service, 10. Mi-34 Role, Rotor-craft Trainer, in service, 1. Unmanned Aerial Vehicle, UAV. Rainbow, CH-4, Role, UCAV, in service, unknown quantity. On orders. JF-17, Thunder, Role, Multirole Fighter, on order, 3. Super Tucano 314, Role, Light Attack Jet, on order, 12. Mi-35, Role, Attack Helicopter, on order, 10. Mi-17, Role, Utility Helicopter, on order, 4. AgustaWestland AW109 Role, Utility Helicopter, on order, 4. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.